Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Data Transform. This is Upender. In this video, we are going to be see how to install Oracle database software. Okay, so before starting the installation, we need to have two software. One is Oracle software and second one is the SQL developer. Oracle software is for storing the data, nothing but Oracle database software that is, and SQL developer is for connecting to that particular database which are we installed. Okay, so first we will install the Oracle database software and then we'll go for the SQL developer software. So don't worry about the softwares. I'm going to be provide the softwares in the description so you can download it from directly there. Don't worry about the from where to download the softwares. Sure, we'll start now. So first we'll try to install Oracle software. This is how you are going to be get after your download process. So I'm extracting this as it is a zip file. I'm extracting this one, extract. Extract completed. We got a one folder. Open this folder and go to this one. Here you are seeing one setup file. Double click on it. So it will ask it will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Just click yes. It is preparing for installation. Click on next and accept the terms and license agreements. Next. So Oracle Database 11G Express Edition we are installing, and it is going to be installed in the C drive. So if you want to change the drive where to install, you can click on the browse and change the location where you want to install. Okay, so just click on next as I want to install in the C drive itself. Enter the password. Whatever the password you are entering here, please remember that password is going to be help us in the next steps. Please don't forget. So this is a password for the two users. One is this, second one is the system. I'm giving a password as a manager, but your wish. Here it is showing all the details where it is installing and what is the port number and everything it is showing. Simply click install. installation process completed successfully. Just click on finish. Oracle database software installation completed. Next, we have to install SQL Developer software. Again, I'm going back to my software folder. Here I have SQL Developer, right? So I'm extracting it as it is a zip file. Go to the SQL Developer folder and inside again. Here you will see one .exe file, SQL Developer.exe. Run it by double clicking it. Simply say no. Done. SQL Developer installation also completed. Now, if you look at here in the left, there is one plus operator. We have to create a connection from this SQL Developer to the Oracle database or Oracle software. Click on plus. Give some name, connection name. I'm giving the username as a connection name for which user I am going to connect. Here username system, password I am giving as a manager. So while we are installing the Oracle database software, we have given one password, right? That password we have to give here. From SID to service name I am changing. Here I am giving as a XE. This is the service name. Just test the connection. Connection is success. Click on connect. Now we have connected to the Oracle database using the user called system. Sys and system users are master users. So it was not recommended for doing any transactions in the sys and system users. So for doing any transactions or doing any creating for any tables, it was always better to create a separate user for that. Okay. So if you are really a SQL developer, you no need to worry about the creating all the users and all those things. These are going to be taken care by the DBS. So I am creating one user here under the system user. Create username I'm taking as Scott by. So in this command, Scott is the username and Tiger is the password. Okay, these are the general username and password for doing any practice. That's the reason I'm taking the same thing. So if you want to execute any command, you have to select that entire SQL command and click on this green button. It is going to be run the entire statement. So now user Scott got created. Now that user needs some privileges for connecting the database. Nothing but Scott needs some privileges to connect to the database. So system user is created new user called Scott, and the system user is now he is granting some privileges for the Scott user for connecting the database. Grant connect, comma, resource to Scott. So now system user is trying to give the some privileges for the Scott so that he will connect to the database and do some operations. Execute it. Grant succeeded. So user got created and username is Scott, and we have given some privileges to the user Scott. So now we'll try to connect to the database using the Scott user. Previously we connected using the system user. Now we will try to connect to using the Scott user. For that same thing, if you want to create any new connection, here you have to say plus operator, and connection name I'm mentioning as a Scott only to identify easy, and username Scott, password Tiger. I have given the password as Tiger, right? And localhost, here your service name you have to give as an XC, not the SID. Test the connection. Here I am saving the password and test the connection. Status is success. Connect. Yeah, if you look at here, two windows here we have. One is for the system, one is for the Scott. So using the SQL developer, we can connect to the n number of users in the database. Currently in the database, we have 3 users. One is sys, second one is the system, and third one is Scott. Sys and system users by default, they will come while you are installing the software. But Scott will not come. We have to create a Scott user for practicing purpose. So I have created a Scott user and entered into the Scott user now. Okay, so this is the new user, and this user don't have any tables. So if we need some tables for practice, right? So for that, I'm going to be show how to create the tables and all those in the next video. Clear? So this is only for complete installation of the Oracle database software and how to connect to the database using the new users or existing users. But whatever the command I executed in the system user, don't worry about this because these are going to be done by the DBS, not by the SQL developers. Just you need to have idea how to create the user and how to grant the privileges. So that's the reason, because we need a practice user, right? For that reason, I created this Scott. So now we have entered into the Scott user. From next time onwards, we will not connect to the system user. We are going to be connect only Scott user for our practice purpose. Okay, that's all about this video and this. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments and I will try to answer them. Thank you.